How to make your garden look evergreen by adding beautiful greeny plants. So today I will be explaining about top 5 plants that you can add to your garden to make it look so green and beautiful. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I see the list of plants that will make your garden evergreen and beautiful. So if you are a person who loves green looking plants, stay tuned to this video until the end so you will know the best plants for your green looking garden. There are many varieties of cast iron plant. This is one of them. It's in a big pot. You'll have to put them in a bigger pot, ample pot, because they need space to grow. So this plant is a beautiful greeny plant for your garden, and also it adds so much of beauty and elegant because this is a green plant. Among your flowering plants you can keep this and it will give an evergreen look. You can keep this plant as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant, and also this plant prefers the shade. If you happen to keep it in outdoor garden, make sure you keep it in an area where it gets a partial to medium sunlight. This plant you can grow without fertilizer also. This is a permanent plant, and also this is a beautiful looking plant. Next plant to add in your garden to get a green look is this beautiful Erica palm. Erica palm plant also needs some ample space to grow because you can multiply this plant by dividing, and within some time they produce baby plants. So you need to give them some ample space for the plant to grow very healthily and beautifully. So this is another suggestion by me. Not only this is an air purifier plant, this adds beauty to our garden because it is an evergreen plant. So have this plant also in your home garden. So when talking about evergreen plants to your home garden, lucky bamboo plant is one of the best options because this plant you can grow without fertilizer, very easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, and also you can grow them from stems in water or in soil. So this is a best option for a beginner gardener as well. You can see how healthily my plant growing. This is kept indoors. So friends, you can have this as a beautiful evergreen plant. This looks so beautiful and easy to grow. Next beautiful plant to give your garden an evergreen look is the beautiful Monstera Swiss cheese plant. So have this plant also in your house plants collection because this is also a very unique and also looking so elegant. So this plant also will definitely give your house plants collection a great look. So have this plant also in your garden. If you have put it in outdoors, you'll have to keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. You can grow this plant without any bothering because these plants are also low maintenance and permanent, no need of special fertilizers. So I have one plant here and the other one here. Give them a moss stick or a support to grow since they are creepers. When talking about making your garden evergreen and beautiful, add this beautiful house plant, or you can use this plant as an entrance plant because this is so huge and ample space needed plant. This is called the bird nest plant. So I have a couple of plants of bird nest in my garden, and they are in the corner in my garden, and also they are looking so green and beautiful. I have one here and the other one over here. So here I have this beautiful Chistina plant that is also one of the low maintenance and permanent plant, and this plant is about 1 year old. They also need ample space to grow, and this is one of the plants that will give your garden an evergreen look. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video how to make your garden look so evergreen and beautiful. So if you are a person who loves to keep house plants as evergreen plants, so add these plants into your garden collection. So if you like my video, please do give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends. See you with another gardening video. Bye friends, see you soon.